So can I just start by welcoming you all to today's event. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Vicki Nash and I'm Director of Ofcom Scotland, and it's really good to be up here in Inverness as part of a series of events that we're doing in connection with our report, the availability of communication services in the UK. We're very pleased to be here, as I say, as a part of a series of events that we're doing around the report. We know that there are particular challenges of connectivity here in the Highlands. We actually had our first event in the Scottish Parliament a couple of weeks ago, and we had a really good attendance by, I think, 11 MSPs. And the fact that all 11 were still there at past 8 o'clock at night, I think shows the level of interest and the engagement in the Scottish Parliament, which is, of course, really crucial to improving the situation here in Scotland. We also plan to go to another part of Scotland, which is particularly challenged in terms of connectivity, and that's down in Dumfries, and we're hoping to do an event there early next month. So we know, of course, that good connectivity really matters to people, and our report explains why there is variation throughout the United Kingdom and what can be done to improve the position. It sets out the role of the market, and it sets out the role of the public sector, the role of the regulator, of course, the role of the UK government, the Scottish government, and of course local government. Our speakers here today reflect a range of interests, and I'm particularly pleased to have here today Professor Lorne Crerar, who is Chairman of Highlands and Islands Enterprise, and you will know that very recently they announced that they had signed a deal with BT for £146 million to improve connectivity here in the Highlands, which is going to bring some real benefits. I'm also very pleased to say that we have contributions from the Federation of Small Businesses. We have Colin Borland and David Richardson, and they have done some research into the experiences of small businesses in terms of connectivity. And I have to say that they have some hot off the press data to talk about this morning specific to this area, so we look forward to their presentation. We also have Kyla Brand from the Office of Fair Trading, and again they've looked at the specific requirements of rural users of communication services. And we also have Vicki Nash from Highland Council and Tracy Legamer from NHS Highland, who are going to talk about the benefits of digital connectivity for public services, both local government and health services. And finally, we'll hear from Tara Morrison of the University of Highlands and Islands, who's going to be talking about her research into measuring the social benefits of connectivity.